Hey guys, so Tahita here from the future. I am going to just close off the vlog here and explain myself a bit. I know this one is very short and it's really just a montage of my evening, but I wanted to keep the promise of uploading every day. I wanted to keep that promise to myself, and at the same time I wasn't going to go out of my way to be on camera as far as FaceTime and talk to y'all like everything was good, because it really wasn't. Okay, if you guys are familiar with DJ Twitch, you would know that he passed. Death, regardless of if I know the person personally or if he's just a public, he has a public platform, he's very well known, he's very well loved, and just seeing so many people's heartache for him kind of triggered my own grief and reminded me of how much people loved my father, and that it just put me in a weird place on top of everything else that I have going on with work. You guys know that work has been very challenging for me recently. On top of that, I still have not gotten the next steps from my doctor in regards to what I need to do to get myself back to a healthier place. So that has also been adding to my anxiety and stress levels. So I literally just propped the camera up and whatever I was doing at the time, hit record, may have moved the camera around a little bit, but as you guys can see, it was just a collection of, clips from my evening yesterday. So that is it. I just wanted to explain myself a little bit, and tell you guys thank you so much for your love and support. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my family here on YouTube. I would really love to have you and really appreciate your support. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until tomorrow, see you.